Welcome to Loru Games. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the system to brighten up your classroom on live or remote learning. When you sign into lorugames.com, you will see the Join Class page. This makes it super easy for students to join your class. On the top menu, you will find the Teacher Portal, where we will have all the tools a teacher needs. Let's enter the Teacher Portal by clicking the button in the top left corner where it says Teacher Portal. In Loru Games, your students will join your class just like in Google Classroom, so that you can assign the classwork and follow the learning reports. Create a new class to get started. Give your class a descriptive name. Description is optional, but may help you track multiple classes. After creating a class, it is time to create a question set. Navigate to Create Question Set on the left-hand side menu. Create a question set page opens, and here we can enter all the information needed for creating our first question set. Remember to enter at least 4 questions and to fill all the correct answers. Now we will move over to the Classes page, where we will find the Class 5A we just created. Click the class name and the class view opens. Next, we need to activate the question set we just created, so let's navigate to the Active Sets tab. Empty checkbox indicates that the question set is not active. Let's click the checkbox to activate the set. Now our class is ready, and we can invite the students. But first, let's join the class ourselves. That's right. We can test the games and the question sets by joining our own class as a student. Here in the class view, we can see code for joining our class. It also serves as a hyperlink, and we can click it. This URL you can share to your students at Classroom. Just click Yes, and you are ready to go. Have fun playing, teaching, and learning.